This is one I've been working on. Really need some lead work on it, but I haven't got to video that version yet. Anyway, it's Old Counting Crows tune. The circus is falling down on his knees. The big top is crumbling down. It's raining in Baltimore, 50 miles east. Where you should be, no one's around. I need a phone call. I need a raincoat. I need a big love. I need a phone call. These train conversations are passing me by. I don't have nothing to say. You get what you pay for. I just had no intentions of living this way. Need a phone call. I need a plane ride. I need a sunburn. I need a raincoat. And I get no answers, and I don't get no change. It's raining in Baltimore, baby. But everything else is the same. There's things I remember and things I forget. I miss you, I guess that I should. I'm 3,500 miles away. And what would you change if you could? I need a phone call. Maybe I should buy a new car. I can always hear a freight train. Baby, if I listen real hard. And I wish it wasn't a small world, 'cause I'm lonely for the big town. I'd like to hear a little guitar. I think it's time to put the top down. I need a phone call. I need a raincoat. I really need a raincoat. I really, really need a raincoat. Really, really need a raincoat. I really, really need a raincoat.